onto the wing. And this is a new one.
No, that's the new shear web, and they're the old cords. New
so
one.
this is a new web,
yeah.
But this is the old
old angles, yeah.
The angles, yeah.
Because the new ones have been sent away for heat treatment. We won't see them for about 3 weeks.
But once they've gone through the
heat treatment, they have to be hardened up.
Well, do you drill them first, or do you drill them afterwards?
No, drill it afterwards.
Yeah.
Because it might move.
Yeah.
While it's being heat treated, you see.
Have you tried this onto the wing yet?
No. Eventually.
Before you build it up?
Yeah, we're not getting the new cords. No point in doing it yet because we haven't got the new cords on it.
Yeah. This is the port wingtip. It's been assembled by Ken. We have the leading spar, 2 intercostal, 2 green painted intercostal, and the rear spar. The rear spar is held on to the jig with 3 fixing points, same with the leading spar.
All the bits in, you won't really be able to tell the difference. I've just remanufactured that and that because I wasn't happy with the step down, because the original one had a ½ inch step down and it's supposed to be flush because a piece of metal goes there like that.
Yeah.
So I made another one of those and another one of those because that had the same problem. These I'm halfway through fitting these new ones, but I haven't done. You can't really see anything that's happened now.
No. But,
you know, but this is being changed, so I took the opportunity. Hopefully that's the same size as this one. Getting rid of the steps because that was inducing a lot of stress into the structure.
Yeah. Good. It's coming on.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah.
When I drill them, there's a flat piece there, and it goes down to there. So that fits there. This is the old one. Obviously, this is going to be changed.
Yeah.
That fits there like that somehow. Is it that one or is it the other one? Well, that's not in place. That's why it's not right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one goes there because that's not in position properly.
Yeah.
And that one goes there, I think. On those two somehow. Like that.
All green tickets on them have all been passed, have they?
Well, I have to make them serviceable because then people know where they are, you know, when they come to take over.
Yeah. The new one in.
Yeah.
And then will you put the bulkhead in?
Yeah, then that goes in. Yeah.
Drill through for the rivets.
It doesn't actually attach to this. There's a gap. See the gap there? There is a gap.
What's all these holes for then?
I don't know yet. I think, if I remember right, there's another piece of structure that goes between them. You see there's a frame here.
Ah, yes, there is.
There's also one on the outside.
Yeah. I was thinking it bolted onto or riveted onto that.
No, it doesn't.
It goes onto here.
Yeah.
So it'll be quite easy when it comes to next year to take that part off, or will you leave it on?
Well, hopefully.
Getting too far in advance,
No, you're not. What they're trying to do is they're trying to make the gun and this up to this bulkhead so that it's done.
Yeah.
Obviously, these will have to be undone.
Yeah.
But it's bolts at this end anyway, so it doesn't matter. But there's going to be rivets along here.
Yeah.
But they will undo those rivets and leave these in place.
Yeah.
And
then
do the skins, work forward that way.
Yeah.
But that's what they plan. But things change.
Yeah.
You know?
Unpredictable, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
With the way the material goes and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Thanks, Jack.
All
I'll let you get on then, mate. You've got these 2 props on now. These are all 6 new blades, are they?
Yep. Yeah.
And what about the
New old stock.
Yeah. Sorry?
New old stock.
Yeah. And the blades are building up now for number 4.
It's been taken apart for an inspection. And there's some bits that we might look at sending away.
Yeah.
And I think the plan at the moment is to possibly build up number 3 again, put it on number 4 while we send that one away.
Yeah.
For an inspection.
Yeah. So you've still got 3 new blades never being used then?
Yeah, but that's the end of our stock at that point.
Yeah.
Because that assembly was airworthy 5 years ago.
Oh, was it? Yeah.
So it needs an inspection to assess whether it still is or whether it needs work.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Because the blades were airworthy. They were the original blades off the aeroplane, and they were airworthy.
Yeah. So what have you got in at the bottom then? A new web?
We've got the new webbing, that's the connecting one, those quarter holes are the ones that go to the studs.
Yeah.
Cords, I think they're called cords.
Cords.
Those two, they're what we're waiting for from Cumbria, you know, they've been heat treated, because the roll that they sent, you know, where they're shaped.
Yeah.
So they're fairly straight down there, but then the roll that they send to get the final shape. And then once we've got those, we're not really waiting for much on this side.
No.
So it's just a case of me like getting all the old structure in and then swapping parts out of the old structure and putting the new structure in.
Yeah.
So as you see, I'm like putting the old skins on, spotting where everything's gonna come, you know.
Yeah. Got to drill all those then, have you?
Yeah, when I take that out and drill them out, make sure we've got edge, you know, the edge distance and everything. So yeah, it's just a case of like putting things in and out now, you know, building it up.
That lightning hole, did you get it in yourself or did it?
Yes, we got it in ourselves. Yeah, drilling all these angles off at the bottom. That's what I'm up to at the minute. Going through it all.
Yeah.
Each bit by bit.
Yeah.
Getting all the angles in, and then it'll be once that's done, then it'll be actually putting the ribs in. You know, all the ribs what we've got. It'll be a case of starting to do the ribs after that.
And then you've got all the stringers.
All these like in between, there's the stringers, and there's some occasionally where to stop the skin panting we have like a stiffener in. That might be on there. That might just to be a stiffener, that one.
Yeah.
But the ones that go right the way along are so they're all stringers.
This is the Fraser Nash 121 turret, the 4303 machine guns, which is going to be rear turret, which is going to be fitted to the Lancaster for the next year, while the FN82 goes away to be restored. This is the 121, and that was the FN82 with the two guns, the half-inch guns. Jack, it's Jack's birthday today, so I was having the day off. At the moment he's got the new frame in for the bulkhead, and he's put the bottom half of the bulkhead in. All blue tickets on it, so it's all into the airworthy. And you can see here, this is where the modification came in. Sorry, this is where the modification came in. They had to put a new piece in to strengthen, could be to strengthen the turret or to strengthen for towing gliders. This is all got to be stripped down and painted. But I say, this is the new frame he's got in. He had the old one, the last time I saw it he had the old frame in. And these were the ammunition feeds either side. So I'll have a word with Jack next week and he'll tell me how things are going. So back to these two turrets. And finish.